I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am volunteer in medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine. I never went without working. I just didn't have insurance.
My husband passed away 11 years ago, and I've tried to get insurance on my own, but I cannot afford it because I live on a fixed income.
I have degenerative joint disease in my spine.
I'm an Uber driver. I've been driving Uber for over 4 years. My kidney fell in some time. Volunteer of medicine saved my life.
Well, there are lots of hardworking people in this community who can't afford health care insurance. Or if they have access to insurance, the cost of co-pays and out-of-pocket expenses are just really unreasonable. And these are people who don't qualify for Medicaid and making the decision of putting a roof over their heads or food on the table for their families or paying for their car and insurance to get to work versus health insurance loses out. So these are patients who come to see us. We give free care for the working uninsured.
I'm a pharmacist by training, and I started at Volunteers in Medicine about 3 years ago after I retired from my profession. It certainly is a great atmosphere to be in, from the folks in the front office to the providers who are actually providing the care to the patients, as well as in the back office with the CEO and everybody else. It is an absolutely great place to be.
I am a graphic designer for plaques and awards. That's enjoyable. It's not the same old grind every day. It's something different every day. My husband passed away 11 years ago, but as about 10 years ago, I didn't have insurance. It went away when he passed away. And I've tried to get insurance on my own, but I cannot afford it because I live on a fixed income. Having diabetes and high blood pressure without care, anyone knows, is a deadly game. When you're a widow and alone, it's nice to have somebody that cares for you. So
I love working for Uber because I like to talk to people. I'm trying to be friendly for everybody I meet. Everybody, yes. So I was looking for insurance, and one of my friends said, why don't you try the volunteer of medicine? I'm very happy to be here, yeah. I need a kidney doctor, so they help me. I have a specialist who help me with my kidney. The volunteer of medicine is a lifesaver.
Family Foundations, this is Roxana. How can I help you?
Once I felt bad that day, Miss Maureen said, well, why don't you go to Volunteers in Medicine? And I said, what's that? Because I didn't know what it was. It's very convenient because it's close to us, and so I walked over there, and they took care of me. She even told me to go and get a mammogram because I haven't been in the doctor for a long time. If I would have been, gotten sicker and all that, I would have had to go to the emergency room because I don't have any insurance.
They've helped me so much. This place is really angels of mercy when people need it. I'm still working and still striving. I never went without working. I just didn't have insurance. I don't know what I would do without them at this point in my career. I had the hope of a greater place as far as having insurance and being able to provide for myself, but I wouldn't have nowhere else that I know of that provides anywhere near the level of care and concern that Volunteers in Medicine provide. I personally had treatment for my blood pressure, and then they're helping me with my weight through a nutrition program. They do the pharmaceutical services for some medicines. They can provide free medicine when they have the appropriate medicines. I have not lacked for any care at all with Volunteers in Medicine. Literally the way they treat you is this: you are part of their family. They treat me like one of their own.
Everybody loves to come here. That's why they come here.
We are a blessing. For me, we are a blessing.
it's a great gift. It's a great relief to know that there's somebody there.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am volunteer in medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
I am Volunteers in Medicine.
We are
volunteers in
volunteers in
medicine.
medicine.